What's up guys, JC Trucker Tech here. In today's video I want to show you how you can replace your differential and transfer case oil on your Toyota RAV4 or similar models. I wanted to start by saying that the most difficult one is the transfer case, which is located at the front of the vehicle. The differential in the rear is actually easier because you have more clearance, but here you can see the transmission is on the way. Just keep in mind this is the V6 2GR-FE engine. I don't know if the 4-cylinders engine have more clearance around this area.
It's actually a 10 millimeters heads key, so you can use it over here to get loose the plug. So guys, when you're going to remove it, you can use this type of 10 millimeters wrench like this to give you extra leverage, because you're going to need it, trust me. And then so my advice for you guys is, if you're having issues getting it loose, heat it up, use torch, and then apply some water, cold water or ambient water, okay? Spray it and then try to get it loose. Use extra leverage, it's going to be your friend. Another setup you can use, if you don't have a wrench like that, use 10 millimeters and then bigger one on the bottom, and it's gonna give you even more leverage. So guys, something you want to understand when it comes about replacing transfer case and differential oil, you want to make sure your field plug you can get it loose. You need to make sure you are able to get it loose first before the drain plug, which is, oh my god, I think you cannot see it, but it's right here. I will show you. Alright, because if you drain first and then you find out that you can't get this guy loose, you're gonna be stuck. So keep that in mind. It's very important when you work either transfer case or differential, applies for both. So at this point my field plug is loose. Now I'm ready to start removing the drain plug. So guys, I'm using Valvoline Advanced Gear Oil SEE 75W90. Okay, I bought this is like a pump to pump in the oil inside the transfer case and differential. So far it works without any issues. Also, this is 1/4, right? So this is about what I used. This is about what I used for the sorry for the finger, for the transfer case. I'm sorry, differential, the rear one. Okay, so it's less than 1/4 for the differential. Transfer case should be is about the same. So I would say you just need two quarters. Another thing very important, you probably don't know about this, is for automatic transmission you will need a GL5 gear oil. Okay, let me see if we can focus that information for you right there. GL5. If you have manual transmission, you will need GL4. So guys, this is the differential, this is the drain plug. Okay, this is the viscous coupler. I just replaced it as well. If you are having a grinding noise coming From the rear, this is most likely your issue, is the bearing that goes bad. It's a common issue on these vehicles. So guys, the drain plug is going to be, usually it's going to be magnetic. Okay, you can see, wow, it has a lot of accumulation. So guys, now we're going to replace the washer, and it's very important that you understand Toyota has like 3 types of washers. I'm going to show you which ones you need for this job. So guys, this is the right washer for this job. You can see it's completely different than this, and I seen people getting confused and they think that the old one that they removed is something like this, and they believe that it gets really tiny or compressed, but that's not the case, guys. This is different washer, right? This is used usually on the transmission drain plug.
Okay guys, once it starts dripping like this, that means it has been successfully filled up. That's when you stop. Okay guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, for the differential, the procedure is exactly the same. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the like button and consider subscribing if you are not a subscriber yet. Have a wonderful day and see you on the next video.